Piscine Hippocampe was founded in 1977. Here at Piscine Hippocampe, we're manufacturing, we're installing and selling in-ground pool, out-ground pools, hot tubs, and outside furnitures all around the Montreal area. So we're manufacturing, we're retailing, we're installing, and we're servicing all of our customers. Our complex process, involves manufacturing, and when we manufacture, depending on the customer order, we need to get the perfect parts, and then we need to transport those parts to the customer backyard, and then coordinate with the team that's going to dig and install those parts. And the old software we were using was not able to communicate between them. We were using a really old software called Hippocampe, which was not integrated with any other software that we were using. So we were spending a lot of time trying to piecing up items and processes together. It took a lot of time, and there was a lot of human error involved in the process. So that's why we decided to go to another solution. So initially I was looking for any kind of ERP that could integrate all the processes and the software that we needed. There was a lot of different choices, and we found Zoho to be the most simplest to use. And even though it was simple, we can deep dive into it and get complicated for fine processes here. We were always looking for a partner to help us implement all the processes. It's a complicated business, and we knew we couldn't do it alone, so we needed a partner. And we went through the Zoho Partner Program, and we found BSP through that program. It was the closest to us and the one that we had the best response with the first initial contact.
Piscine Hippocampe had, multiple challenges. Our way of work at BSP is we always start at least with a small scope. When we did our scope, we started asking questions, understanding the process so we can see what would be the right fit. After our scope, we understand that Zoho Creator is going to be the heart of the operation.
We're using Zoho Creator as a point of sale system. We have a module for all the customer that order a hot tub, in-ground pool, or out-ground pool. And we have a big service model as well to go service those products for customers that bought from us. The first big change, was just looking through our database of customers. When a customer rings the checkout, and we can look into them. It's a fast search, and now it takes 3 seconds, and we can pay, and he can leave the store with the product that he bought. And this was really simplified our life. Well, one of the biggest help we got from Creator was saving a lot of time and human power. Converting all of our online sales through Shopify into the system. And nowadays with Zoho Creator, everything is automated, and I think we clearly saving more than 5 to 10 hours a week. Zoho Creator is great because you can use it in a really simple way and get your everyday needs done. But if you want, you can do a deep dive with automation. You can save human cost, human error, and really program it the way that you want to.